Students watching, boys and girls in our classroom, we're ready to begin our combination practice. Let's begin by standing and we'll practice these families. The 1 addition family.
The 1 addition family.
0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. The 2 addition family.
The 2 addition family.
0 plus 2 equals 2.
1 plus 2 equals.
Careful, let's go back to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 0 equals 2. The 3 addition family.
The 3 addition family.
0 plus 3 equals 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 0 equals 3. Have a seat. The 4 addition family.
The 4 addition family.
0 plus 4 equals 4.
1 plus 3 equals 4.
2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 0 equals 4. The 5 addition family.
The 5 addition family.
0 plus 5 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5.
5 plus 0 equals 5.
Titus, I like how you said those families. In fact, Titus, you did them so well. I'm ready for you to come be my very first helper. I want you to come to this first combination dot card and write the 2 addition facts. So remember both sides of the card. Come over to this side and help me with this one, please. Aria, write those 2 facts. While they're doing that, I've got a challenge for us. I have some combination flashcards, but I have covered up one of the add-ins, one of the numbers that's being added. And I want you to tell me what is underneath our paper. So I have a number that's covered up. Let's see if we can figure out what my missing number is. Remember, the first thing we need to do is look at the sum and think about the family. Students watching, why don't you tell me what number is missing in this combination? And help us out. Ava has it. Ava, what is it?
0.
Do you agree, students watching? Ava, they are all shaking their heads. Yes, let's take this off. Look at that. Ava, come grab those papers and you can put those right at your name tag. Let's go to this one here. Boys watching, answer this one for me. Did you look at your sum? Let's check their answer and see if they got it correct. Help me out. What is my missing number? Savvy.
3.
Why?
Because 0 plus 3 equals 3.
Let's check Savvy's answer and see if she's right. She got it. So did our boys watching. Savvy, come grab those. Put it right at your name tag. Now let's go to this one. Girls watching, see if you can answer this one. Oh, I see a lot of smiles. Did you look at your sum and think about what's missing? Emery has it. Emery, what's missing?
1.
Why?
Because 1 plus 1 equals 2.
Girls watching, did you agree with Emery? Emery, they all said yes, and Emery, you come put that right at your name tag. Let's go to this one and help me remember this. Got it? Did you get it yet, students watching? Let's have Victoria help me with the answer. Why?
Because 1 plus 3 equals 4.
That's it. Our sum is 4. We know that we're adding 3, and I have to add the number 1 to 3 to equal 4. Come grab those, Victoria. While she does that, let's come over here and check our combinations. Ava, why don't you start out with Titus's work? Girls watching, check these combinations along with Ava.
3 plus 0 equals 3.
Good.
0 plus 3 equals 3.
Now, girls watching and Ava, is that what Titus's card said? And Ava, is it?
Yes.
It is. Good job, Titus, and good checking, Ava and girls watching. Let's have Kobe and our boys watching check to see how Aria did. Start with our first combination.
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Continue.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
And is that what Aria's card said? It is. Good job at getting those combinations correct. All we do is switch our add-ins, but our sum stays the same. Well, I need some help with some more missing number combinations. And the way you're going to help is with my poor little elephant. You see, he is still hungry and he needs someone who can come help him feed these peanuts. But let's start with his first combination. I can't feed him the peanut until I know the answer to this combination. So Titus, I saw your smile right away. What's my missing number?
1.
Why? What is my combination?
4 plus 1 equals 5.
Do you agree, students watching? They all say yes, so do those in our classroom, and there's our first peanut to feed to our elephant. Well, let's go to our next combination. What is my missing number for this combination, Hayden?
3.
Why?
Because 2 plus 3 equals 5.
Fantastic job. We'll feed that peanut to our elephant, and let's look at our combination family here. Do you see what Hayden did? She saw our sum was 5, and she knew she had to add 3 to 2 to equal 5. Well, let's go to our next combination. Oh, this one's a little challenging. Can you help me with this one, Aslan? Did you get it yet, students watching?
1.
What is it?
1.
She says 1. So I'm going to ask you, Aslan, tell me the whole combination, and you tell me if it makes sense.
2 plus 1 equals 4.
Do you agree with yourself? Does 2 plus 1 equal 4? She says yes. Let's look at it. I'm going to come over to my straws. And Aslan, I've got 2 straws in one hand and 1 straw in the other hand. You say 2 plus 1 equals 4. Count my straws and tell me if you agree.
1, 2, 3.
Is 3 the same as 4? So can 2 plus 1 equal 4? No. So we know we have 2. What do I have to have in my other hand to equal 4? Did you know it, students watching? Think, think, think. We know it isn't 2 plus 1. Let's try 2 and let's see if that's correct. Here we go. Count our straws.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So what is 2 plus 2?
4.
Let's see if she's correct. And she is. We got that combination. Let's do one more. Help us with this combination and answer, Trey.
1
Say the whole combination.
plus 3 equals 4.
Yes, 1 plus 3 equals 4. That was our missing number. We're ready now to play a game with our combination flashcards. Students watching, you play right along with us and see how quickly you can answer our combinations. Now let's look over here and let's see the game we're going to play. I love cookies, and I think a lot in our classroom of students watching like them too. But we want to see how many cookies we can collect on our cookie sheets. Right now, how many cookies do the boys have, Titus?
0.
Oh no. Well, how many cookies do the girls have, Savvy?
0.
But there's a lot of yummy looking cookies right here in the middle. So if you answer your combination correctly, you get to choose one cookie and move it over to your cookie sheet. Now, remember the rules to our game. You have to answer with your first answer, so think before you answer to make sure you're right. Also, don't take a long time choosing a cookie. Just grab a yummy cookie, they all look good. Move it to the cookie sheet and have a seat so someone else can have a turn. Why don't we start out with Trey versus Hayden? It won't be this one, that's for our students watching. And check their answer, Victoria.
5.
All right, now the one I flashed to the front, students watching, you answer as well, but this is for Trey and Hayden.
4.
That was a tie. Try another one.
2.
Oh, they're both incorrect. Students watching, give us this answer. And check their answer, Benjamin.
3.
Good, good try. You can have a seat. We'll try sometime else. Let's have Emery versus Victoria. Students watching answering as well.
4. 5. 5.
Oh, both of them gave an incorrect answer. Students watching, help us with this answer. And Titus, our answer is?
5.
It is. Both of you have a seat. Remember, think before you answer. Let's have now Ava versus Benjamin.
3.
Little faster, Benjamin. Good try, Ava. Benjamin, put one on the boys' cookie sheet. Let's have Tanner versus Aslan.
1.
That was Tanner. Tanner, ooh, those boys must be hungry. Let's have Kobe versus Savvy. Students watching, ready to answer?
3.
Kobe was a little faster. Good try, Savvy. Kobe, move a cookie over to the boys' cookie sheet. Aria versus Titus.
5.
He was a little faster. Good try, Aria. All right, Hayden, are you ready? Trey, are you ready? Hayden versus Trey.
4.
4 is the right answer. Good job, Trey. Trey, move one over. Hey, ladies must not be very hungry, but students watching, it was fun to do combinations with you.